For my community resource project, I chose Planned Parenthood. There are many locations in the capital region, such as in Albany and Troy, and Planned Parenthood promotes reproductive health in the community, which is very important to the adolescent population. I spoke with Megan Carroll, the Director of Education at the Troy Health Center, and she said that a large portion of the clientele seen there are adolescents and young adults under the age of 25. They typically come in for birth control information and options, as well as pregnancy testing. Planned Parenthood was established in 1916 and came to Albany in 1934. It's staffed by a healthcare team of nurses, nurse practitioners, and doctors, and it's widely known in the United States. Most of the services Planned Parenthood provides are preventative care to prevent pregnancies, reduce the spread of STIs and HIV, as well as provide screening for different diseases and cervical cancer. Planned Parenthood provides affordable physical exams, general health services, birth control, condoms, emergency contraceptive options, and pregnancy screenings, as well as HIV and STI testing, LGBT services, health education, and walk-in services. Megan Carroll said that typically adolescents don't come into well visits because they don't need a pap smear until they're age 21. But there's a walk-in clinic every Thursday which provides these services. Planned Parenthood is very accessible because there are so many locations across the United States, and it's affordable because it's based on a sliding scale that takes into consideration a person's income and any insurance or medical coverage they have. There are many free services as well, which are very good for the adolescent population, such as free condoms and emergency contraception. Planned Parenthood doesn't only work in the local community, but they do global outreach as well to promote adolescent health overseas. Mostly adolescents use Planned Parenthood, and this helps reduce teenage pregnancy and the spread of STIs in the community. On the website for Planned Parenthood, there's specific educational pages directed to adolescents in language that they can understand about reproductive health and sexual education. They also have a live chat feature on the website where adolescents can speak with an expert anonymously, and smartphone apps. The apps are a great educational resource because they're age appropriate and involve technology that many adolescents use. Planned Parenthood is also on different social media sites, which make information more appealing and accessible to teenagers. Planned Parenthood is financed by the government as well as non-government grants and reimbursements. Planned Parenthood receives funding through Title X, which provides contraceptive, family planning, and reproductive and sexual health education. Most of the funding goes to STI and STD testing and treatment, contraception, cancer screening, women's health. A small portion goes to abortions, and then other services. Planned Parenthood is widely known in the United States, so they don't do much advertising, but according to Megan Carroll, they do outreach programs and educational programs because most people know about Planned Parenthood, so they focus more on educating people about the services they provide and low-cost options. They go into schools, which is important for the adolescent population, in education about reproductive health as well. In Albany, New York, Planned Parenthood distributes labeled condoms that get their name out at different local businesses and events, and this serves to promote health while publicizing the healthcare center.